Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Prashanthi. Today I am going to tell you how to bake a cake without help of an air fryer, oven or a stove. So let's get started. First we need to take the baking tin in which we are going to bake the cake and grease it with some clarified butter. Here I am using clarified butter. You can also use unsalted butter. With the help of a spoon I am greasing the tin. See, I have greased it with clarified butter. Now I am going to dust some maida or all-purpose flour. Taking some maida and dust it all over. See, our tin is ready now. Now for making the batter, we need 3 eggs, full eggs. Here I am taking 3 full eggs. We need 3 full eggs, some 3/4 cup of clarified butter. You can use unsalted butter at room temperature also. Here I am taking 3 teaspoons of solid clarified butter, or you can also call it as ghee, desi ghee. Now with the help of electric beater, I'm nicely beating them. Need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. I'm adding to the egg mixture. To this we need to add baking powder. and vanilla essence. I'm adding vanilla essence, half spoon. And baking powder, 1 spoon baking powder. Slowly mixing it with the spoon. You can even use beater. If you want, I will add all the links. For 1 cup of maida, I have added 1½ cup of granulated sugar, which I have powdered. See, this is how the batter looks. Now I'm adding some milk chocolate choco chips in the batter. If you grease and dust some all-purpose flour, your cake would come very easily after baking. This is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to flatten the surface with a spoon so that the air bubbles disappear and your cake bakes evenly. So guys, you can see that our cake is ready.